Hi, my name's Tom. This is our metal kitty litter box. We like this because it is made out of metal. There you go. You can see it is rust proof. It is stainless steel. It is nice and solid. It does have a plastic top that does come off, but I like the fact that it's got a little bit of a curvature here so the cat can kind of stick his or her butt in there and kind of keep some of the odors, keep some of the scratching down. When they scratch the litter, it usually goes flying over the side, but because we have this lip here, it actually prevents a lot of that. It does have a little bit, there are some times that the cat is still going to go ahead and get crazy with this litter, but for the most part, it has really kept a lot of the spraying of litter down and controlled. You will see it also has a little tread here for the cat to walk in and out of. Our cats kind of jump up and around, so they don't always use this because we have a gate up in front. But if you have a spot where the cat will have to walk into it, this does work. There is usually litter here that kind of falls through. You can actually kind of feel some of the litter has gotten stuck here, so that does work pretty well. And it does come with this little scoop, which is a nice scoop, but I like the scoop that it can actually, is a little holder on the side, just kind of clicks there onto the side, hangs up. So you pick it up, you scoop, and you go ahead and you put it back. That's really nice. The steel kitty litter boxes are much better than the plastic ones because they don't hold that odor. When you have a plastic kitty litter box, and we learned this the hard way, after just a month or two, no matter how much you wash that plastic, you are going to still have a little bit of an odor to it. And then even when you put fresh litter down, the cats are going to go ahead and they're going to be drawn to that odor, but you're going to have a little bit of that odor in the house. The steel does not seem to do that. It does not pick up an odor. We have washed it down once or twice, dried it really well, put litter back in, and there's simply no odor when you do it that way. So yeah, I really like the steel kitty litter boxes. They just work better, and this is actually a pretty good one.